Apple has released the first look of macOS 14 Sonoma Developer Beta. In this video, I'm gonna show you the top 9 big features of macOS Sonoma. Let's start with the lock screen. macOS Sonoma brings a simplified login screen page. You can see some system controls from the top right. Date and time has moved to the center with bold font, and the login field is moved to the bottom. When you enter a password, it transitions into the desktop wallpaper very smoothly. macOS Sonoma brings a rich set of features that elevate the experience of macOS, starting with stunning new screensavers. It shows beautiful slow-motion videos of places around the world. When you log in, they seamlessly become your desktop wallpaper. Now let's talk about widgets. In macOS Ventura, widgets are available in the notification center. Now you can simply bring up your widgets right into the desktop using drag and drop. You can put these widgets anywhere on the desktop view. Just like iPadOS 17, widgets are now interactive. To add more widgets, right-click on the desktop and choose Edit Widgets. You can bring up the widget gallery just like that, where you can find all the widgets on your Mac. You can also have access to iPhone widgets on Mac without the need of installing corresponding applications. It works like magic with continuity. All you need is your iPhone to be close to your Mac or connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To make sure widgets are distracting while working with applications or Stage Manager, Apple made a way to make them glanceable without feeling intrusive. Let's open Safari. Now as you can see, the widgets instantly fade into the background so I can stay focused on my browsing. If I switch the wallpaper, you can see the widgets are intelligently tinted based on the color behind them, so they maintain legibility and the look of the desktop. When it comes to gaming, Apple is trying very hard to compete with Windows. Thanks to the Apple Silicon, games like Resident Evil 4 runs next level on most of the M1 or M2 Macs. With macOS Sonoma, the all-new game mode automatically gives games top priority on the CPU and GPU of your Mac by lowering the usage of background tasks. This will significantly improve the gaming experience on your Mac. Also, Apple is going to release all new games for the Mac, which include Death Stranding Director Scott, No Man's Sky, Firmament, and more. They are not stopping here and provides an emulated environment to run your existing Windows games on Mac with a game porting toolkit. Now, Metal 3 provides this toolkit to make it even easier for developers to port their games from other platforms. The game porting toolkit enables developers to quickly evaluate just how well their game could run on a Mac. It dramatically simplifies the process of converting the game shaders and graphics code to take the full advantage of the powerful features and performance of Apple Silicon. If you're taking video conferences every day using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, macOS Sonoma brings enhanced video conferencing features that enable users to present and share their work more effectively. You can present any window or application along with your face on a separate layout. This way, you can move, walk, and talk in front of your content. Also, video conferencing brings reaction with your hands. You can share a reaction with just a hand gesture and shows 3D effects like confetti, hearts, fireworks, and more. Now let's talk about web applications. With web apps, you can elevate the website you use most of. If you are spending a lot of time on a website, you can turn it into a web app. Simply visit the website. Then from the File menu, click on Add to Dock. The title and icon load automatically. Now when I click on Add the icon, it instantly appears on the dock. Now I can close this window in Safari. When I launch my web application, I get an app-like experience with a simplified toolbar. On Mac, you can create a web applications for any website. This way, you can integrate web apps along with native Mac applications and make your app experience simplified. Autocorrect has become so powerful in Mac OS Sonoma. It delivers better support as you type. It makes corrections more accurate and easier to fix them. When you are typing something wrong, autocorrected words are temporarily underlined so you know what's being changed and you can revert back to the original word with just a click. Along with that, when taking notes, you get to see an inline typing predictions. Simply press the spacebar or tab key to finish words or entire sentences. Mac OS Sonoma is going to give you the full functionality to the user to edit the PDF never before. Thanks to the new machine learning models, Mac OS Sonoma can identify the fields in PDF so you can autofill quickly with information like names, addresses, or emails from your contacts. You can also integrate PDF files inside your notes and click between their pages. This way you can keep more than one PDF in the same note for easy access to related documents.
Siri.
You can say simply Siri in macOS Sonoma instead of saying Hey Siri all the time. We know that Apple offers better privacy and security compared to others. With macOS Sonoma, they have added more improvements to privacy and security. Communication safety expands to AirDrop, incoming calls, and more. Messaging application now shares a sensitive content warning. If someone sends sensitive content, you will see a pop-up with the message before viewing. This feature will work with other third-party applications down the road. And that's pretty much it. These are some of the big features of macOS Sonoma. It's time to talk about the release date and compatibility. Now, Apple has rolled out the first developer beta of macOS Sonoma. You can install it right now on your Mac by signing with a developer account. You can expect the public beta to be released in July. Thereafter, Apple will work through several cycles of beta testing before the new macOS gets a public release. The Gold Master copy of the new macOS Sonoma will most probably release in October or November, and these are the list of devices that support macOS Sonoma. For more information, check the link down below to read more. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.